A poor, hardworking village boy lived in a small hut, and the shrew lived happily in that poor boy's heart. As time passed, the boy grew up, and whenever he sat down to eat, the shrew would come and sit by his side. The boy is to feed the shrew all the time. As a result, a peaceful relationship between them. The boy would always spend time with his friend, the shrew. Out of true friendship, the shrew would always linger around the boy. by the Shrew grew older and by the cruel irony of nature, it eventually became completely blind in its old age. friend in this condition. The boy worried that if his friend and the shrew move around to outdoor in this condition, anyone, be it his own family members or other animal, might kill it. So he made a plan and put it on to action. He arranged for the shrew to live under the bed in his own bedroom, and the shrew started living there. Whenever the boy entered the room, the shrew would come out from under the bed to greet him. Whenever the boy spoke, the shrew would come out from under the bed. To make sure his mother would not see the shrew, the boy asked her to stop sweeping his bedroom and start cleaning it himself every day. Whenever the boy ate, his friend the shrew would always appear right beside him. The boy used to leave plenty of food on the floor under the bed for the shrew, as he knew that being blind, his friend would not be able to collect food from outside. And so the two real friends continues to live their lives his way. The boy often went out for work. One day, upon returning from work, the boy could not find the shrew anywhere. With a clear and focused mind, he scoured every possible corner, but his friend was nowhere to be found. The boy continues to search for his friend day after day, waiting and hoping, but he never saw the shrew again. Eventually, he realized that his old friend had passed away. He then prayed to Almighty that his friend might find a place in heaven. Ultimately, friends, this true life story teaches us that whether it is a real friend or a life partner, such a bond is only possible when it is built on a foundation of a single, pure soul connection. Only when bound by a true soul connection is it possible to become a real friendship or life partner to any living being, whether human or animal.